Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cheesy hamburger casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large casserole pan. I have a pound of ground beef that I've halfway browned up. And I'm going to add to that one green bell pepper and one onion I diced up. And I'm going to allow them to saute in there with the ground beef so the ground beef's browned and the vegetables are tender. Alright, now that my ground beef is browned up and my vegetables are tender, I turn my heat down to low. I'm going to put in some garlic. I'm going to put in about 2 cloves worth of garlic. I'm using the already pre-diced stuff. And I have another new jar of this in the cupboard. I'm just trying to get the last little bit out of this. Alright, that's looking good. Give that a stir. Alright, now I'm going to add in a 14.5 ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes that I drained. And I'm going to add in a 15 ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm going to give that a stir. Like I said, I have my heat down on low. Alright, now I'm going to add in my seasoning. I'm starting out with some Italian seasoning. I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. And I'm just eyeballing this. And I'm going to add in some of my go-to seasoning. McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. If you don't have this, a little salt and pepper will work just fine. So I'm going to add in about 1 teaspoon of that. Stir that around. I have a pound of elbow macaroni over here boiling in salt water. I cooked it to the directions on the box for al dente. I'm going to go ahead and drain that and get that in here. Right, now that I have my elbow macaroni drained and in the casserole, and if you don't have a big pot like this, just combine everything together in a 9x13 baking pan. I'm just trying to do things a little easier and save some dirty dishes. You just want to stir this around and blend your macaroni in with the sauce. And this is looking like a gourmet goulash. This would be good just to eat like this. Right, now I'm going to add some cheese in here. We got to get to the cheesy part. I'm going to start with some shredded Colby Jack cheese. And this is a 2-cup pack. I'm going to add half of that right in. And I'm going to add in some cheddar cheese. Now with this you can use any type of cheese you like. If you like taco cheese, Fiesta blend, even mozzarella if you want Italian on it, do whatever you want. I'm going to put about 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar in there. I'm going to stir that around, get it good and cheesy in there. You want to get your cheeses well blended in there with the pasta. So I'm working from the outside edges in. Alright, now that I have that all mixed together, we're going to put some cheese on top. Equal that out. I'm going to put some cheddar on here. It's a light coating of cheddar. And I'm going to use the other cup of that Colby Jack on top. Can't call it a cheesy hamburger casserole if we don't cheese it up, guys. Alright. That's looking good. Now I'm going to cover this and put this in a 350-degree oven with the cover on for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, I'll take the cover off and let the cheese get nice and golden brown. Alright, this just came out of the oven. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and garnished up a little fresh parsley for some added flavor and color. Let me get in here and try this. See how cheese pool on how cheesy that is? It's cheesy, well seasoned. You get the ground beef with the seasonings I added. You get a little bit of smoky flavor from the tomatoes, the fire roasted tomatoes. Guys, that's really delicious and it was really easy. cheesy hamburger casserole. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.